People are doing research right now. I think there is an expectation, in fact, I know there is, when they get out of the NNA certification, they're gonna know all the loan documents, all the mortgage terms. Let's just start with the NNA certification.
Okay, the certification and the training that we offer does give you a baseline of understanding what that loan signing process looks like, what those documents look like. It even gives you kind of a basic description that you can read off of what each document is to the signer. As you know, we're not allowed to give legal advice.
Right.
So it also helps you to find that boundary between what you can say to the signer to support them and what you can't say. LSS and what you guys do over there is great because it gives the notary a deeper understanding of what those mortgage processes look like, what each part of the process looks like, so that people can also be more ready to go in and talk to these title companies and all of the different people that they want to do business with and come in as competent and understanding how they can serve that customer.
If you've been researching on becoming a signing agent, you're gonna wanna watch this video because we're gonna answer probably the biggest question you have as you've been researching becoming a signing agent. So this lady needs very little introduction. We are here at the NNA with Susie. What's going on, girl?
How you doing, Mark?
Good, good, good. Well, I wanted to come straight to the source. People are doing research right now. I think there is an expectation, in fact, I know there is, when they get out of the NNA certification, they're gonna know all the loan documents, all the mortgage terms. They're gonna know the difference between an adjustable rate mortgage and a home equity line of credit. And the NNA certification isn't that. The NNA certification is you're a signing agent professional. These are the behaviors expected from you when you go into these appointments. And that is kind of the distinguishment between the NNA and the loan signing system certification, where we're more of a certification on mortgage products, mortgage documents. Because I do get students that come from the NNA and they're like, okay, well, I thought the NNA certification was gonna get me mortgage product ready.
The certification and the training that we offer does give you a baseline of understanding what that loan signing process looks like, what those documents look like. It even gives you kind of a basic description that you can read off of what each document is to the signer. As you know, we're not allowed to give legal advice.
Right.
So it also helps you to find that boundary between what you can say to the signer to support them and what you can't say. LSS and what you guys do over there is great because it gives the notary a deeper understanding of what those mortgage processes look like, what each part of the process looks like, so that people can also be more ready to go in and talk to these title companies and all of the different people that they want to do business with and come in as competent and understanding how they can serve that customer.
You said something probably I think one of the most important parts of the entire video is you really teach, the NNA certification really teach what you can and can't say. Because that is arguably the most important thing. You do not want to cross the line into UPL, an authorized practice of law. And the NNA certification does a phenomenal job of keeping a notary signing agent on the right side of that. And again, the LSS certification is completely different because I can't beat your guys' level of education on that. But I think that's an important thing is because a lot of you researching right now is like, well, how do I know if I cross into UPL? The NNA does an unbelievable job of really making sure you understand that line and what you can and can't do. And then again, I don't cover any of the laws and the behaviors that you should be upholding as a signing agent because that's what the SPW does.
Right.
Our side is more the mortgage docs, mortgage knowledge, and then the marketing aspect. And so they're researching, it's just really letting them know, have an expectation so they know what they're getting walking in. And it's really the understanding from Wells Fargo, B of A, Bank of America, Fidelity, the list goes on the behaviors a signing agent should have while going over a general process of the loan signing appointment, but not necessarily a deep dive of that.
There's all kinds of great programs out there to take you to the next level. And if you are really wanting to build your business, you're gonna go out there and look for all the good resources that can support you. And so the NSA certification is where you start. And that's where you lay your foundation. And then you can build from there. And if you just want a little log cabin, then you can probably go out there and use the NSA certification and knock on some doors and sign up for some signing services and use signingagent.com to get you that work. And so if you're wanting to build on that foundation and make your business even bigger, then you're going to look at some of these other great companies like LSS who are taking you to the next level.
Well, I think you said the best because this is literally what I say. I say that the NNA is where you start. To me, there's not even a period and a story. You start the NNA, you start the NSA certification, you get the background check, and like you said, from there where you go is up to you. But again, this video is more of really distinguishing, what they should expect when they become NNA certified for $70. It's why they're doing it for a year, and the difference kind of between the NNA certification and the loan signing system certification, since this is on the loan signing system channel. And again, I think the NNA is the place to start, period. And I always promote you guys are the best training for notary training in America, period, end of story, in my humble opinion. But no, thank you for spending some time with me today. Is there anything you want to kind of wrap up with as far as the NA certification?
I think that we covered everything
I do
pretty
too.
well.
I feel good. I love it. I thank you so much. I'm so excited about the friendship LSS and the NNA have.
I just want to thank you, Mark, and LSS for always keeping our notary community informed. You're always hearing the inside scoop, and you're always letting us know that, some of the questions that are out there for these notaries who are trying to get started or take it to the next level. So thanks for all you do.
I'll give you a high five on that.
High five.
If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to comment below. I'll have Susie and her team look at those. I'll try to answer the best of my knowledge. And of course, like always, if you liked what you just watched, you need more tips and tricks on how to build a notary signing agent business, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel.